Sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is present in seawater. 2.7 to 2.9% of sodium chloride is found in seawater. In India, 50 lakh tons of sodium chloride is prepared by evaporation of seawater. Seawater is evaporated to get sodium chloride. Okay. Now, how can we purify this one? Now seawater is taken, that is evaporated to get crude sodium chloride. The crude sodium chloride contains impurities. What are the impurities present in crude sodium chloride? They are calcium sulfate, sodium sulfate, calcium chloride, magnesium chloride. These are present as impurities in crude sodium chloride. So how can we separate them? The crude sodium chloride is dissolved in minimum amount of water. Then what happens? Insoluble impurities separates out. Insoluble impurities separates out. Later, this is treated with HCl gas. It is saturated with HCl gas. Then what happens? The highly soluble, then sodium chloride separates out. Whereas calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, they remain in the solution. For what reason? Being more soluble. So which are more soluble salts here? Calcium chloride, magnesium chloride, these are more soluble salts. Whereas sodium chloride is less soluble salt. Thus this one separates out. What is the procedure? First, crude NaCl is treated with minimum amount of water. Insoluble impurities are separated. Later saturated with HCl. Then these salts are remaining in the solution, leaving behind NaCl. Now the question they will frame like this. So the question asked is, when HCl gas is passed through solution containing NaCl, CaCl2, MgCl2, CaSO4, then dash precipitates first. Which precipitates first? Which precipitates out? So option is CaCl2, MgCl2, CaSO4, NaCl. So what is the right answer? So NaCl precipitates out. They will ask the question like this. Another question. In winter season, table salt is getting wet. Why? So for what reason? The answer is, it has impurities. What are the impurities? Magnesium chloride and calcium chloride. The magnesium chloride and calcium chloride impurities present this one these are deliquescent. What do you mean by deliquescent substance? Deliquescent means which absorbs moisture and goes into solution and forms solution. So the substance which absorbs moisture and form the solution is called deliquescent. So the impurities calcium chloride and magnesium chloride are the impurities present in the table salt. So they absorb moisture and goes into solution. Thus they are known as deliquescent substances. Now what is the melting point of NaCl? Melting point of NaCl 591 Kelvin, 1081 Kelvin, 1801 Kelvin, 915 Kelvin. So melting point of sodium chloride is 1081. Next, what is the solubility of NaCl per 100 grams of water? 100 grams of water. 63 grams, 36 grams, 126 grams, 72 grams. Oh, so what is the solubility of NaCl for every 100 grams of water? That is 36 grams. 36 grams of sodium chloride is dissolved per 100 grams of water. Okay. Now another one is the solubility of sodium chloride do not change much when it is heated. When it is heated. So this is all about sodium chloride.